Following reports of delays in the delivery of HIV medications, the Department of Health says it has enough supplies to ensure patients continue to receive their treatment. Mobile journalist Yeda Pascual has a report.
HIV or human immunodeficiency virus attacks the body's immune system. It is a lifelong condition with no cure. But it can be effectively controlled through antiretroviral therapy or ARV medications. With consistent treatment, people living with HIV can live long, healthy, and productive lives. That is why taking HIV medications every day as prescribed is critical.
Kung yung pasyente is adherent sa pag-inom ng gamot, araw-araw umiinom ng gamot, tama ang dosage, tama ang bilang, tama ang oras, it can prevent yung HIV transmission. Bakit? Pag yung mismong viral load or yung number ng virus sa katawan ay bumaba na into a undetectable level, ibig sabihin sa laboratory test hindi na makita yung virus, undetectable na siya. It is equal to untransmittable. Merong chance na hindi mo na siya maipapasa sa partner mo. Pwede kang magkaroon ng anak or asawa na hindi mo mahahawahan ang asawa at anak mo. It improves the quality of life.
When HIV medications are not taken consistently or are stopped altogether, the virus can develop drug resistance, making the treatment less effective. As the viral load rises, the immune system weakens, leaving the body more vulnerable to opportunistic infections such as pneumonia, tuberculosis, meningitis, and candidiasis.
Ang pumapatay, hindi yung mismong HIV virus, kundi yung mga complications na dulot ng HIV virus or HIV infection. Kasi ang target lang naman ng HIV virus is patayin at pahinain ang ating immune system. Ang papatay sa pasyente yung mga infections, yung iba't ibang uri ng opportunistic infections na pwedeng mag-cause ng maraming komplikasyon sa pasyente.
That is why any disruption in the supply of HIV medications can have serious consequences for people living with HIV. Earlier this year, some HIV treatment hubs reported delays in the delivery of antiretroviral medications due to procurement and logistical issues, raising concerns among patients about possible interruptions to their treatment. The Department of Health, however, assured the public that the country has sufficient ARV supplies. More than 1.2 million bottles of HIV medications have already been procured and are being delivered to treatment hubs nationwide. While the agency acknowledged temporary distribution delays in some areas, it maintains that measures are in place to ensure that patients continue to receive their medications without interruption.
In case po na meron pong nagkukulang sa ibang treatment hub at meron pa pong sobra sa ibang treatment hub, nanghihiram po kami ng gamot sa ibang treatment hub. And napakahalaga din po na meron pong PhilHealth, no, yung ating mga patients. Kasi in case po na hindi po makapagbigay po yung DOH ng libreng gamot or ng gamot na isusupply po sa amin pong mga treatment hub, kami po mismo ay bumibili. Yung mismong hospital po ang bumibili para hindi po makamiss ng gamutan yung ating po mga pasyente.
For healthcare workers, one of the biggest challenges is not the availability of treatment, but patients who stop returning to their treatment hubs or skip their medications, a situation they refer to as loss to follow-up.
Kaya yung pasyente nung nakaramdam ng ginhawa, nung nakaramdam na parang feeling niya, okay na siya, magaling na siya, ang iniisip niya, okay na siya at magaling na siya, kaya huminto na siya. Yung iba naman, or karamihan, is yung in denial, no? Hindi pa nila matanggap sa kanilang sarili na yung kanilang kondisyon ay panghabang buhay talaga.
Health experts stress that strong support from family, friends, healthcare providers, and the community can help patients stay on treatment. Open communication, proper counseling, and reducing stigma encourage people living with HIV to continue their medications and regular checkups.
Dapat talaga magkaroon ng effective and at magandang counseling, good communication po between sa doctor, sa healthcare workers, and sa pasyente, and ma-educate pong mabuti yung pasyente ay hindi ito parang sentensya na kung magkakaroon ka ng HIV, sentensya to na mamamatay ka na. May mga gamutan na kailangan dapat nating sundin, inumin araw-araw para po yung kanilang kondisyon ay bumuti at sila po'y makapamuhay ng normal.
Dr. Javier also says that poverty remains a major barrier to treatment adherence. Some patients are unable to afford transportation to their designated treatment hubs, causing them to miss their scheduled medication refills.
Na yung atin pong HIV screening test is also free, no? Meron po sa atin pong mga health centers, sa mga district hospitals, and sa mga government hospitals, no? Ito po ay libre. Nationwide po ito. Even private or public na HIV treatment hub, lahat po ay libre, wala pong bayad, no? Free po ito. It is free to all our PLHIV.
Health officials continue to encourage the public to get tested early, seek treatment immediately after diagnosis, and remain consistent with their medications. With timely access to care, uninterrupted treatment, and a strong support system, people living with HIV can live long, healthy, and fulfilling lives. This is mobile journalist Yeda Pascual. We are One News.